Hello everyone, and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Adobe Lightroom for editing pictures. So first thing we will do is we need to import a picture to edit. So we will click Import. Then we will select our source. For now, we'll click Downloads. Then we'll click and check all so that we can select what picture we want to edit. So we will click this first picture. So check this one and import. Now, this is our photo that we will use to edit. Next, we will go to Develop. Now, here in Develop, this is where we can edit our picture. Now, the Develop module is where you edit your photos. Use the basic panel to make adjustments to the white balance, exposure, contrast, and other tone controls to your liking. Then, we can see this is our image with the film strip. So the film strip at the bottom allows you to navigate all the images in the selected folder or collection. You can copy-paste settings between photos in the film strip, change folders or collections in library to find other image to edit. Then, this is our cropping and local adjustment where we can crop our photos and make refined adjustments with tools for red eye correction, healing, and more using the tool strip. Then, Lightroom is non-destructive. Basically, when we make an edit, Lightroom make another version of the picture so that we can retain the original picture. Then, we have the snapshots and our preset. So now, first let's try to use this section. So we can control the temperature for our picture. We can control the tint, the exposure, the contrast, the highlights, the shadows, and the whites. Crop our pictures if you want to crop some specific area. Now, to add some presets, we need to make sure that we have a DNG file for our presets. So we'll just click this and import presets. Now, if you have a downloaded preset, so you can just select it, then click import. And that's how you use Adobe Lightroom for editing pictures. So if you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.